How much should you actually spend on a water cooler with an ice maker? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you the real winners.
Product number 1, Cozy Charm Portable Pump. Let's start with something completely different, the Cozy Charm Water Jug Pump. This isn't a traditional cooler, but if you want ice-cold water on demand without the bulk, this $10 gadget is wild. It's small, battery-powered, and pumps water from any 2 to 5 gallon jug. I didn't expect much, but filling a cup in 9 seconds? That's faster than most fancy coolers. Here's why this matters for you. No more lifting heavy bottles, perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or offices where space is tight. It runs on USB-C, charges fast, and lasts weeks. With over 10,000 sold last month, clearly a lot of people are tired of clunky setups. Now, some people complained about the hose feeling flimsy. Here's the thing though, it's silicone, so it bends but doesn't break. And for $10, you're not getting industrial grade parts. This is perfect for you if you want something simple, portable, and dirt cheap. Skip this one if you need actual ice or hot water. This just moves water. Honestly, for the price, it's a steal.
Product number 2, Igloo Top Load Cooler. If that pump didn't give you the full cooler experience, the Igloo top loading dispenser steps in with hot and cold water and a stainless steel look that doesn't scream dorm room. At $146, it's mid-range, but the build quality feels solid. The dual spigots, child lock, and removable drip tray make it great for families. Here's why this matters. You get instant hot water for tea or coffee, and cold water that's actually cold, no waiting. The energy-saving switches let you turn off heating when not in use, which saves power over time. With 500 plus sold recently, it's a quiet favorite. Now, some people complain the cold water isn't icy, just cool. Here's the thing though, most home coolers don't make ice-cold water unless they have a compressor, and this one doesn't. Still, for daily use, it's refreshing enough. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-frills cooler for home or office. Skip this one if you're expecting built-in ice cubes. It doesn't make ice. For the price, it's a solid daily driver.
Product number 3, Brio 130 series. That Igloo was decent, but the Brio 130 series takes it up a notch with Energy Star 3.0 certification and a spill-free top-load system. This black stainless steel unit looks sharp and functions even better. The 1.5 liter per minute flow rate is fast, and the LED lights tell you when hot or cold is ready. No guessing. Here's why this matters. The no-spill bottle change means you won't flood your floor, and the child lock has a 2-step safety process, so little hands can't accidentally burn themselves. With 1,000 plus sold, it's clearly resonating. Now, some people complained about the price being high since it's not listed. Here's the thing though, Brio is known for durability, and the polymer build holds up better than plastic competitors. This is perfect for you if you want a long-term, low-maintenance cooler with smart safety features. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or need actual ice production. For a premium feel and reliability, it's worth the investment. Product number 4, TD Energy Pump System. If you already have a cooler but want to connect it to an ice maker or coffee machine, the TD Energy Pump System is a clever add-on. At $58, it's not a standalone cooler, but a high-pressure pump that turns any 5-gallon bottle into a water source for appliances. The 40 psi pressure and 1 GPM flow mean it keeps up with demand. Here's why this matters. If your fridge's ice maker is slow or dry, this pump feeds it fresh water directly from the bottle, no plumbing needed. It's wall-mounted, runs quietly, and auto shuts off when the bottle's empty. With only 50 sold, it's niche but powerful. Now, some people complained about installation being tricky without drilling. Here's the thing though, once it's in, it's rock solid and saves you from buying a whole new fridge. This is perfect for you if you want to upgrade your existing setup cheaply. Skip this one if you want a complete dispenser with hot-cold. For DIYers, it's a smart hack.
Product number 5, Lee Yon Double Inlet Pump. The Lee Yon Double Inlet Pump takes automation further. At $72, it's pricier, but it can feed 2 devices at once, like an ice maker and a coffee machine, from one 5-gallon bottle. The 2.8 bar pressure and 1 GPM flow are consistent, and the undersink design keeps things tidy. Here's why this matters. No more manual refills or low water pressure in your appliances. The float valve and overpressure protection extend motor life, and the 1,000-hour runtime rating shows it's built to last.
With food-grade tubing and quiet operation, it's a workhorse. Now, some people complained about the manual priming step after long storage. Here's the thing though, it's a one-time hassle, and the 90-day warranty and 24/7 support ease the risk. This is perfect for you if you run multiple appliances and want a clean, hidden setup. Skip this one if you just need basic dispensing. For serious home hydration systems, it's a top pick.
So which one's right for you? The Koozie Charm for portability, Igloo for simplicity, Brio for premium safety, TD Renergy for appliance upgrades, or Li Yuan for multi-device power. Each solves a different piece of the puzzle. No one size fits all. Pick based on your real needs, not the flashiest ad.